Namaste children. Namaste. Okay. Today we are going to discuss the first lesson in NCERT syllabus, that is chemical reactions and equations. So we all know what is a chemical reaction and what is a chemical equation. Today we'll throw some light on that in a more detailed way. Okay. So what is a chemical reaction? Any process in which a new substance with new property is formed is called a chemical reaction. Okay. Now, do we come across chemical reactions in our daily life? Yes. Every day we will come across a chemical reaction in every phase of our life. Yes or no? For example, morning we eat breakfast. It goes inside. What happens inside? It will get digested because acid is present inside. So one chemical reaction will happen to convert the food which we have taken into energy. So first it is food, now it is energy. New substance is formed or not? With new format or not? So this is a chemical reaction like this. Have you ever celebrated Diwali? Yes, we all celebrate Diwali. So in that, do we burn crackers? Yes, we do burn crackers. That is also a chemical reaction. Yes or no? So what is the chemical reaction involved in it? Magnesium ribbon, when we burn it with the help of oxygen, we get magnesium oxide. So this is the white ash which is formed is a new substance with a new property. So this is called a chemical reaction. Now in today's class, we will be discussing the types of chemical reactions. How many types of chemical reactions do we have? Generally there are so many types, but according to the syllabus, we will discuss 5 types of chemical reactions. How many? 5. What are those 5? Combination reaction, next decomposition reaction, next displacement reaction, next double decomposition reaction, and last redox reaction. So we will have an activity for each reaction. For each reaction we will perform an activity and then check it. Okay, so let us start with the first type of reaction. What is the first type of reaction? Combination reaction. So what do you mean by combination reaction? Anybody knows what is a combination reaction? Yes, Nikhil?
A process, a reaction in which 2 or more elements combine to form a single product.
A process or a reaction in which 2 or more elements combine to form a single product is called a combination reaction. Yes or no? Is this clear to everybody? Okay. Shall we do an activity for this combination reaction? Yes. Are we ready? First, let us read what is the activity given in the textbook and then we'll perform this activity. Okay. Can anybody volunteer to read this?
Caution. This activity needs the teacher's assistance. It would be better if students wear suitable eyeglasses. First, clean a magnesium ribbon about 3 to 4 centimeter long by rubbing it with sandpaper. Second, hold it with a pair of tongs. Burn it using the spirit lamp or burner and collect the ash so formed in a watch glass as shown in the figure 1.1. Burn the magnesium ribbon, keeping it away as far as possible from your eyes.
Okay, so what is the activity given? We'll take a magnesium ribbon. We have a magnesium ribbon here. We'll cut it 2 or 3 centimeters of it and we'll burn it. Once we burn it, what do we get? We need to observe. That is the activity. Okay. Is there anybody who is willing to do it here? Yes, ma'am. What did you observe? A white dazzling light has been formed. So here what do you observe? He asked the question, right? So white dazzling light. And look at the product what is formed. a white color ash has been formed. Yes or no? So now the equation what we have written on the board, to magnesium, which she hold it with the tongs and she burnt it. What is formed? The white color ash is nothing but magnesium oxide. Which type of reaction is this? Combination reaction. Is it easy or difficult? Easy. Very easy, right? Now, let us move on to the next activity which is given in the NCERT textbook. Okay. So, what is the activity? Activity 1.2. Shivam will stand and read what is the activity and then will perform it.
Activity 1.2. Take lead nitrate solution in a test tube. Add potassium iodide solution to this. What do you observe?
Yes, this is what we observe when you add these two solutions, lead nitrate solution and potassium iodide solution, when they both were mixed to each other. What did we observe? An yellow color precipitate is formed. So which type of reaction is this? Is it decomposition reaction? Double displacement reaction. Two solutions, colorless solutions were mixed to each other and a colored substance has been formed. So this is a double displacement reaction and a precipitation reaction. Okay, after doing these two activities, few more points we need to understand. Look at these points. How do we know whether a chemical reaction happened or not? We will come to know by any of these. Change in the state of a substance, change in the color, evolution of a gas and change in the temperature. Yes or no? In the first activity, we have seen that there is a change in the temperature. We burnt it, so the temperature raised. So chemical reaction happened. In the second activity, we have seen the change in the color. An yellow color precipitate has been formed. Yes or no? So now let us perform one more activity to see that there is an evolution of a gas. How do we identify whether a gas has evolved or not? First thing is, we will get brisk effervescence. So what do you mean by brisk effervescence? When you open a soda bottle, what do we get? That brisk effervescence will be observed or not? That small bubbles will be coming out. So that also is an indication of a reaction happened or not. So now let us perform one more activity, a simple activity to check that the gas will be evolved during a chemical reaction. Okay. Okay. Now let us look at one more activity. What is he doing? He is taking a pinch of sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is otherwise called as baking soda. Okay. Yeah. Add HCl in. Look at what is happening in the test tube. What did you observe? The bubbles, did you observe? Yes, this is called brisk effervescence. Okay. Why did these bubbles come out? Because when HCl is added into this, a reaction happened, and because of the reaction, carbon dioxide gas is coming out. So evolution of a gas. Is it a characteristic of a chemical reaction or not? So now can we identify that the reaction happened inside? Yes. And if you leave it like this, a solid mass will be settled down, which we call it as precipitate. Okay, now let us recap how many types of reactions are there and what are they. Okay, there are 4 types of reactions we have seen. What is the first type of reaction? Combination reaction. Who will answer what is a combination reaction?
Sir,
Yes, Akhil?
the reaction which two or more elements combine to form a single product.
A reaction in which 2 or more elements combine to form a single product. Let us give a round of applause to Akhil. Okay. After combination reaction, now the second type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Who will answer what is a decomposition reaction? Yes, Navdeep?
Decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single reactant will be split into two or more products.
Very good. Give a round of applause to Navdeep. Now the third type of reaction is displacement reaction. Who will answer what is a displacement reaction? Yes, Lohita?
This is a reaction in which the highly reactive element will displace the less reactive element.
Very good. Give a round of applause to Lohita. Yeah. Okay. The final type of reaction for today is double displacement reaction. Who will answer what is a double displacement reaction? Yes, ma'am.
It is a reaction in which exchange of ions takes place.
Exchange of ions takes place between two compounds. Let us give a round of applause to Varshita. Good. So finally, we have concluded 4 types of reactions in our today's class. Combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement reaction. Okay, thank you.